Let us now meet the starters. First, for the Social Security System Pension Protectors. Let's start with our opposite hitter, number 3, Rosel Gomez. Outside hitter, number 4, Pao Seya. Outside hitter, number 9, Grace Reforma. Setter, number 10, Marie Pascual. Middlebucker, number 14, Bachari Samoa. Another middlebucker, number 17, RB Camacho. Starting libero at number 5, Rosel Ansalarda. Head coach of the Pension Protectors, Mr. Tan Eugenio. Calling on our Armed Forces of the Philippines, Lady Gunner. Let's start with our outside hitter and our team captain at number 1, Major Cheryl Mariaque. Outside hitter, number 2, First Lieutenant Kili Joy Betino. Middlebucker, number 4, Sergeant Yari Yongko Kimson. Setter, number 6, Marian Joyce Olores. Opposite hitter, number 8, Staff Sergeant Raya Mariposque. Middlebucker, number 11, Fireman First, Florence May Matulid. Starting libero at number 10, Rachel Andegia. Coaching the Lady Gunner for this match, Staff Sergeant Leia Ariola. It's the Pension Protectors versus the Lady Gunner. This is the UNTV Volleyball League Season 2. Win and win, win in sports, win for charity. Good luck to both teams.
We are ready to get underway with the battle featuring the AFP that is currently in second spot, the defending champions, up against the SSS, trying to get something going with their difficult win-loss card at 3 and 5. That's 8 games. They're left with 6, so they've got to start winning already.
Yeah, you know, sabi nga ni Coach Jack kanina na the way that the SSS Pension Protectors prepared for this match, nag-scrimmage sila yesterday with a team that moves just like the Army.
Okay.
So, maganda naman daw yung kilos nila yesterday, so we'll see if mata-translate dito.
Of course, Pacheri Sangmuyang is there, and of course we've covered her through the years. And I think she lives already in the Philippines.
Yes.
Oo. Caloocan yata, nakatira.
And if I'm not mistaken, meron na rin siyang bubble tea or na milk tea na
business.
Oo, na business.
Hindi pa rin makakalimutan ng volleyball, ano ha?
Oo.
Sipin mo, dating kapitana ng Thai national team.
Imagine that.
Nagagawa ng pag-ibig, ano ha?
Passion talaga.
Betino. Early. Baka masigasig itong SSS. Overcooked on the attack.
But at least, no, dito sa SSS, may kita mo, hindi lang kay Sangmuang napupunta yung bola. Other players are given the chance to hit that ball. Pascual doing a good job in distributing the set.
Grabe yung BFP, no? 6 straight wins. They're just cooking. They're just cooking. In the meantime, the attack. Major Hake scores.
You know, si Major Hake was a bit off position. She had to make some adjustments. Pero nakuha pa rin niya yung puntos.
Gusto ko yung kwento niya na that she quote-unquote financed her own schooling by playing volleyball. And she was a varsity player. And that is always an engaging story. And that is mishandled by the SSS. Can't afford too many errors when you play the AFP, actually.
And ang AFP, very aggressive sila even from the service zone. Kaya dapat yung floor defenders ng SSS talagang alert.
This serve in play. Betino. That shot drops. Kept in play by Yonko. Hake fires away. Back row hard at work. Sangmuyang. Yonko. Hake standing spike. Pascual goes to the middle. Why not?
You know, medyo frustrated pa dun si, si Pitoy because sumabit na naman sa net yung bola niya. But, you know, kahit na, puntos pa rin para sa team.
Hindi solid yung connection kasi. 2 against 3 here. First set. Last match of the day. Yonko. High up and out on that attempt by Pauline Joy Sea. Alam mo, halos lahat sila dito sa AFP may rangko.
Wow.
So, alam mo, before nagkaroon ng mga commercial leagues at saka professional leagues, the place to go to was the military talaga eh. To be able to extend your playing career. Like in the case of one of the assistants sa AFP, si Wendy Simania. Wendy, who was such a brilliant player for FEU.
Agree.
One of the first of that era to go into the military. In the meantime, Zhang Muyang will serve. Look at that serve. Perfectly done.
Oh, good save.
Yeah. Nagagawa nga naman ng Siko. Short! Regine Camacho ended up being short on that try. So, Yari Yonko will be serving. This is outside on that attempt by Camacho.
You know, so far, parang the attackers of the SSS, they want to go aggressively. They want to come out strong. It's just that hindi nila nakakalculate masyado.
Medyo na-overcook nila yung gusto nilang gawin. In the meantime, that is a service miscue and the SSS arrives at 4. Saya will be serving. Ginawa ng paraan. Saya got to it. Gomez elevates it. De Gia is there. Attack. The strike. Hake and Madulid ready to pounce on every opportunity at the front row, but they are deflated with that heave that's right in between the front row and the back row.
And look at how San Moang just set that ball. Bump set, nakatalikod, but she knew where her hitter was and gave her a really good setup.
Those volleyball skills just don't go away,
Yes.
Some of the jumping or the alertness may have evaporated or have ebbed over time. Nice whip. Kept in play nonetheless by Olares, and the drop into the middle of the SSSD.
Yung AFP kasi, even if na-off out of system sila, continuous yung energy nila eh.
Good point,
Don't give up, diba? They just talagang papatayin natin to. Parang ganun yung nila, mentality.
Exactly. Here comes the major. Track down. Bettino, Sang Muyang, Pascual is the setter, and they get burned with that attack. It becomes 8-5 in favor of the Lady Gunner.
Good setup of Olores to Yonko. Ano na siya ngayon? Kimson.
Ganun ba? Okay, Ira has an early report. Go ahead, please.
For Major Cheryl Hake, the first ever loss of AFP was an indication for them na bilog nga daw talaga yung bola. Pero para sa kanila, bilog nga yung bola pero kailangan gumawa daw sila ng paraan para mapunta sa kanila yung bola. So that loss for them was not a lesson learned. Pero para sa kanila, it was a reminder for them to practice more. Wag daw silang magkumpiyansa and to move more with cohesiveness. So now, wala daw silang choice kung di i-accept yung talo na yon, but most importantly, they have to step forward from it. Pero para sa AFP, kinailangan daw talaga mangyari yung talo na yon.
Yung bang sa BFP ang sinasabi mo?
Oo.
Yes.
Okay.
Balik sa inyo, Sir Seb.
Okay, maraming salamat, Ira Pablo. At alam mo, you learn more from your losses and your mistakes than anything else. Thank you very much, Ira Pablo. 9-5, AFP with the early lead. Major Hake with the hot serve. Seiya is there. Camacho battling and beating Madulid at the net.
Yun parang ano yan eh, magic. Di ba? Yung kuminsan tawag mo dyan eh, when you play with the net,
Yeah.
inaano yun eh, pinapractice din yun eh. Kung gaano, how strongly should you push that ball to the net.
Kuminsan, pag masyadong malambot ang pagkakabot ng net, pinauulit ng coach eh.
Oo.
Masyado na kayong chumachamba, ha? In the meantime, oh, that is short on that attempt by Grace and Reforma.
Sometimes kasi you wanna go sharp when you go for an easy ball over. Yun lang. That one was just a bit low.
Olores will serve. Sang Muyang is right there. Pascual sets that shot by Reforma. Oh, good exchange, but that's how to play it at the net. Excellent job by Pascual.
Yeah, yan ang talagang one of the things that the setters have to be good at. Ito, yung saving the ball when it hits the net.
Oh, yung may pectus na ganun.
Oo. You scoop it eh. Kinup niya yung bola eh, out. Kaya nabuhay pa rin yung bola.
Nice cut shot, but Sang Muyang too wise with this shot too long.
Why not? Sometimes pag ikaw yung setter, eh, marunong ka naman mag-spike, di ba? If you're given an opportunity, you take it. That one just went long.
Nasa front row ka naman, bakit hindi?
Oo.
7 or 11 serving against 7. Madulid all set to serve. It nips, touches the net. Sang Muyang is blocked by Yonko.
And you could see si Yonko, no? Talagang tiningnan niya saan pupunta yung atake. Binantayan niya si Sang Muyang eh. Look at the timing of that jump. Good offensive block right there.
Madulid and her serve. It's a fast one. And it's out of reach. It's an ace. We have an SSS timeout. Madulid already with 2 points here. We'll be right with this timeout.
Natatakot kayo, nagkakamali na din naman. Eh, di paluin nyo na. Ilaban nyo na. Magkakamali din kayo, ilaban nyo na. Mapapagod din kayo, ilaban nyo na. Jean, kailan ba ako? Bakit ba ako? Paluin mo mahaba. Maayos naman yung set kanina eh. Maayos naman yung set kanina.
May 4 na punto sila. Alam nyo kung saan nanggaling? Napalo nyo. Ilaban nyo. Huwag kayo. Kung natatakot kayo, huwag kayo dyan. Ilaban nyo lahat ng palo nyo. Wala na kami pakialam outside basta tatama sa kamay nila yan. Paluin nyo na paluin.
Go, angat. Balik.
Guys, huwag tayong magmadali. Lagi tayo nagmalang.
You know, if you're the coach kasi, mas gusto mong nakikita mo yung player mo na talagang hitting that ball as hard as she can. Kesa sa parati kang on the safe side.
Yeah.
Na siniset mo lang, over the net, hinuhulog mo lang. Kung maghuhulog ka, huwag yung mataas. Kailangan yung mababa. So, yun nga sabi ni coach, di ba? Kailangan fearless hits.
Saka kung maghuhulog ka, kailangan may meaning.
Oo.
Yung hulog mo, yung hindi na makukuha.
Right.
Yonko with a wise decision to use her length in that last play. And it's third. Check that, 14-7.
Look at that. Bantay na bantay ni Yonko eh. Alam niya ang responsibility niya sa net.
Sabi ni Pascual kay Yonko, malaki ka lang. Oh, the serve is out. The serve is out. Our man in the perch, the first referee checked first with his linesman, and it is a point for the SSS. Down by 6 currently. De Gia, one-handed set. The whip, it's one-handed recovery by Madulid, but nobody close by to help.
You know, si Seiya, kanina nag-error siya when she would hit that ball really strongly. So ngayon, tinip over lang niya, nakahanap siya ng butas.
Yes.
Matapang din yun, ha? Not
Yes.
just because tip, hindi ka na matapang. Pero, ganda yun.
Yes. Olores sets. Bettino. Reforma gets out of the way. Olores. And it is inside.
May pagka-late yung approach ni Kimson dun sa running hit na yon, but it delivered. She delivered.
Sino yan? Si Yonko.
Oo, Yonko Kimson.
Kimson na siya ngayon, ha?
Oh, dalawa na anak niyan.
Okay. Nakaramdam ako ng edad. Nakita ko pa nung, na-cover ko pa nung college yun. In the meantime, elevated by Madulid. Here comes Kimson. To the other direction. Saya wise to it. Tracked down by SSS. Lively exchange here. Olores, let's try this. Okay. Reforma is there. Here comes the error somewhere. Ayaw. Hinulog ni Hake. First long exchange. Olores. Yes, and it drops for Yonko Kimson.
And Kimson didn't like that hit that much kasi sumabit sa net. Pero, well, you know, it delivered a point for her team. Ayan, medyo nahiya siya dun sa palo niya na yun.
But nothing to be ashamed about. The fact she's the leading scorer right now for the AFP with 6 points in this first set. Camacho is there. Madulid. Yonko Kimson. In the corner. Let's send it to Ira.
Coach Tanya Henyo commends Marie Pascual for doing such a good job in turning into a setter para dito sa SSS. But it's not as easy as it seems, sabi nga nito ni Marie Pascual, dahil sanay daw siya sa first ball. So she was already able to establish a connection between the setters. Ngayon naman kailangan niyang masanay to build a connection with the SSS spikers. Lalong-lalo na itong mga spikers daw ng pension protectors ay iba-iba yung set for each spiker. So that is Marie Pascual stepping up for the SSS as a setter this time in the absence of Vera Guillema. Balik sa inyo.
Dalawa lang naman yan, Ira, na pagsasetter. Either magsuplado ka o maging mabait ka.
Maging mabait ka na lang, diba?
Kasi
positive pa.
Baka mas mabuti for the team yan eh.
Oo.
This shot is short, but in play. And Song Moyang beaten in the joust there. It is 17-12 AFP.
There goes that hit. Blocked by Sangwang. And ang bilis kasi ng reaction ni Kimson eh. Kahit na na-block na ni Sangwang yun eh.
Rhea Marifosque has darted into the AFP lineup. Sang Moyang pushes it over. Olores. Yonko hits long. It's inside.
Alam mo, si Olores is always feeding Kimson in the middle kasi she's trying to make their tempo faster. Kaya sa gitna siya sa gitna nagbibigay ng bola.
At saka ginagamit niya to the full extent yung height advantage ni Yonko Kimson dyan eh.
Oo.
Pascual elevates it high. That Yonko delighted. Second block on Samoyan.
Ako din naman ang nakablock kay Pitoy, di ba? Kahit na paano, sobrang happy na ako.
And it's a 7-point lead for the AFP. Trying to keep in step with the rest of the field. With the PNP and the BFP that are on a tear. Let's listen in.
Kunting gana pa. Sige, kaya natin nabulin mo. Isa-isa lang. Go.
Tapangan niyo pa.
Tsaka yung sinasabi ko pag running, sabi ko may sisigaw, wala sumisigaw. O paano yun? Wala na sumisigaw, usapan natin yun.
Natatapatan niyo na yung running. Ang sisilipin niyo lang sa kanya, yung taktik ng bolak sa kamay ni Toy.
Let's go.
Go, kaya yan.
Go. Wag na bibigay yan. Anong mabilis? Esas! Go.
Ayan.
Let's take a quick look at the team standings and where everybody is after the matches. so far today. Importante sa SSS ang laro to, pati sa AFP actually.
Oh, ang AFP kasi pag nanalo sila, magiging 7-2, tied sila sa PNP.
Tataas sila
Sila.
bababa kasi 3 losses yung BFP.
Oo.
Although 6 straight games na yung BFP na panalunan, red hot sila, no?
Oo.
Pero yung Comelec, maganda yung panalo nila sa Senate because they were earlier tied at 4-4.
Right.
Importante manalo ang SSS because and even the judiciary needed that game sana kanina.
Yes.
19-12 ang ating bilang. Pascual, converted setup pala. Ha?
Oh, from libero.
Playable. Colores. Madulid. Sabi ni Yonko, ayokong paluin. Ito, papalo. Ini-scoop up ni Sangmuyang. Saya. Long exchange. Second. Yonko, long. And it's out of reach. Mishandled in the back row.
Kaya lagi sinasabi ng mga coaches, di bali ng short basta mataas.
Yes.
Kesa sa sharp na ganyan, abot nga sa setter, but it's too sharp. It's hard for the setter to put the ball up.
Gomez, some difficulty there. In the meantime, a change in the lineup. Rachel Navarro makes an appearance, pulling out Pauline Joyce Saya in the SSS roster on the floor. All set to serve will be Olores. Marian Joyce Olores. Yes, but handled well. One-handed set. Rejected. Recycled offense. Hockey. Sangmuyang hits it long.
Ang galing nung ang galing nung pagka-iwas ni Madulid. Ayan, there goes that hit. It's long, and then na-realize ni Madulid, nasa dulo na ako.
Out!
Oh.
Out! Huwag mo papaluin! Out!
Buti nakinig.
Lahat tayo may kakamping ganan. Sinabi ng out!
Oo.
Oh, red hot serve with the rampa by Olores.
You know, si Olores kasi, mommy niya is also a volleyball player. Kaya parang nasa genes yan eh. Tapos sinali siya sa volleyball dahil nagkulang ng kakampi yung mommy sa isang liga. And that's how she got introduced to volleyball.
Sabi ni Olores, bakit ako? And why not?
Oh, sabi nung nanay, why not?
Baron. This is May Dr. Baron stepping in for Major Hockey in the AFP lineup. All's well. We proceed. 10-point lead by the AFP here. Oh! Masyadong mainit yung palo na yun. Nahirapan si Cecil Hernandez. Kayanin yun.
Si Pitoy kasi, I think the last game that she had had 35 points.
Wow.
Siya lang.
Red hot serve. And Madulid apologizing because maybe that's not her ball.
And, you know, that's the reason why naging team captain si Pitoy Sambang ng Thai national team.
And Thailand, of course, remains the gold standard in the Southeast Asian region, ano?
Yes.
As far as women's volleyball is concerned. And this shot by Baron is long on the cross-court attempt. 22-15. Major Hockey will come in. Pull out Baron. AFP taking some chances here.
Pero alam mo, si Baron, binigyan nila ng pagkakataon to try and hit the ball. Outside nga lang.
Pascual with the kick. Madulid steady in the back row. Down the middle we go. And when Yonko Kimson is there. Things happen for the AFP.
Right. You know, si Yonko, so far, so good. Talagang lahat ng siniset up sa kanya, nakakapuntos siya.
11 so far in the match.
There you go.
Oh, they've got 12 plus the service ace.
Another fleet serve right there.
Yonko Kimson has scored 12 points on 8 attacks, 3 blocks, and that ace. Out of reach, 2 straight aces.
And you know, one of the reasons, or hindi, sabi nga niya, the reason why she entered volleyball was para hindi na siya mabully dahil sa height niya. Imagine.
And that was enough to close the deal in this first set. It is 25-15 in favor of the Lady Gunner of the AFP. First set ending in the count of 25-15 in just about 23 minutes. But not without some resistance from the SSS. Look at the numbers from that first set.
Attack points, 2 up ang Lady Gunners. Pati sa blocks, you know, dyan sila pumuntos eh. Blocks, service aces. You know, even if hindi ka naka-ace, pero pag na-out of system mo yung kalaban mo, may halong psychological na yun eh. Meron kang nabibigay na e-emit na message psychologically sa kalaban mo na nakakatakot kayo, na hindi mo kayang sagutin ng tama yung service ko. Lahat yan pumapasok. That's why, laging sinasabi ng mga coaches, kailangan kayo mag-usap in the court. Because when you're scared, pag nag-uusap kayo inside the court, nawawala eh yung takot mo dahil alam mong may kasama ka.
Okay, and we are just a few moments away from the start of the second set. You know, if there was something to improve in the SSS game, they need some fluidity here.
Yes.
And some conviction in their attacks actually.
Yeah. Conviction nga. Yun yung sinabi ng coach kanina, no, si Coach Jet, na kung titira lang kayo, tirahin nyo na ng matindi. Kasi mapapagod din naman kayo whether you tip that ball over or you, you know, whether it's a cross court or a down the line, mapapagod din kayo eh. So ibigay nyo na yung all nyo when you hit that ball.
Some new faces on the floor for the AFP. We have Marian Pantino as well as Lilette Mabayad, 2 of their other imports. As you know by now that in our tournament we play everybody. Everybody who's in a uniform gets to see action even for the briefest time. Larion will be on the floor for the SSS as well. That is Susan Rebecca Larion. Reforma, Pascual Sangmuyang, Saya stay on, and Camacho as well. Here's Mabayad. Blocked. Olores. And that will not work.
So dapat i-capitalize na agad ngayon ng tension protectors yung mistake na yon. So matuloy-tuloy nila ito beginning sa service ni Camacho.
Bettino ended up short. Overpass. Attempt to go back row. Camacho wise to it. Sangmuyang will dig it over. Olores, quick set. The drop by Mabaya, trying to avoid Sangmuyang. Down the middle, runner by Sangmuyang, rejected. One more time. Easily handled by Bettino. That is outside.
Outside.
So it's 2-0 SSS. Camacho will serve. Pantino gets to it. Olores one-handed set. Babayad can't knock it down. Olores says, get out of there. Pascual with the set. Aha! Wala sa posisyon si Olores.
I thought that was a good reception from the libero. Naitaas niya yung bola eh. Hindi lang nakatakbo agad si Olores to get that ball.
Hindi niya alam kung backpedal siya
or side.
Hindi aabot eh. Mabayan tries to blast at him. Reforma. One-handed attempt. And look at this. The SSS up by 4.
There goes that bump set to Reforma, and she went for a long and down the line, yun na nga, it worked for them.
Regine Camacho continues to serve. Olores, Mabayan, and it's blocked out, and the AFP finally etches its first point on the board.
Si Mabayan, no, she's really a middle blocker, but even if you feed her on the outside, kaya niya yung approach.
Matangkad din ito si Mabayad.
Oo.
Sangmuyang handled well. Here comes a set too close to the net.
Yeah.
Precarious. Saya will heave it over. De Gia. Olores better set. Good block.
Coverage.
Alive. Giles Sangmuyang and company. There's a chase down by Saya. Still alive. Mabayan whips it in. They have to toss it over. Yes. Sangmuyang blocked. First long rally.
Wow!
The center gets it.
What a rally! Yan yung talaga, never say die. Look at Pascual.
Saka
Center na.
Hindi sa
Getter pa.
hindi sa natapos yun.
Yes! Aggressive hit right there. Ganda.
Reforma serve. AFP down by 4. Mabayan. Sangmuyang. Long. Overcooked.
Yeah, medyo malapit kasi sa net yung setup. Usually kasi, but not all the time. Usually, pag maliit yung player, kailangan medyo malayo from the net para meron siyang momentum coming in. She can still jump high.
Kasi sa maliit, pagka close to the net, masikip yan eh.
Oo.
Olores with the serve. Very short. And the SSS pulls away by 4. Pascual and her serve. Down and out.
Good eye there from the AFP. Mabayan, knowing na butas dun sa gitna sa zone 6. She rolled that ball over.
And Mabayan will serve. Sangmuyang. Olores with a hand on it. Mabayan. Oh! Same spot.
Yeah! Pero this time, coming from the back row siya. Same target.
Yep.
Same result.
Exactly. 4 against 6. Mabayan serve. Misdirected. 7-4 count here. Sangmuyang will serve. Pachari and her serve. Olores. Hake, the major scores.
Yeah, good angle hit there by Hake. Wasn't an easy angle. Difficult to receive.
Mindanao bred pala itong si Major Hake.
Oh.
Military family talaga.
Ganda ng story niya,
Yeah,
no?
exactly. Camacho. Hake right there. Pitino. Olores.
Good dig.
Yeah. Pantino. Her shot still in play. To the back row. Unable to handle it well.
Yeah, that's why you always have to be on the alert, especially pag ikaw yung floor defense, because meron talagang mga hits gaya ng hit ni Bettino na gano'n, no? Long. Sometimes it's not really that strong. You just have to be aware as a floor defender.
6 against 7 here. Deep serve. Pascual has to shoot it over. Regalo. And Pantino with fingertips on it ties it up here in the second.
Yeah, Pantino was able to win that because nakaharap siya sa bola. Ito nakatagilid or nakaside si Camacho. That's why mas solid or firm ang control sa bola ni number 14, Pantino.
Camacho. Short. And now the AFP has overtaken the SSS. I know what you have.
Gian Reforma graduated from JRU at nakapagtapos siya sa kursong edukasyon. And right after college, she served as a teacher for 1 year, but she felt like her heart wasn't in it. Kaya pumasok siya sa SSS, wherein she's been working for 4 years already. And did you guys know na magkakasama sila nitong si Coach Jonathan Eugenio, Coach Jerome, and Coach Richard sa IT department. So wala daw talagang takas itong si Gian. From duty up to training ay kasama niya rin yung kanyang coaching staff. Balik sa inyo.
Nakakatuwa naman yun.
Nakakainisan naman na buhay yan.
Kung libaw, gusto mo nang umuwi, absent ka.
Kasama mo na sa trabaho, kasama mo sa practice. Buhay nga. But I'm sure she enjoys it immensely. In the meantime, our official score is the AFP has already overtaken the lead. They are in front 9-8. Mariposque will be serving. Sangmuyang. Camacho. Mabayad, Bantino, Pascual hampers and scampers, and the attempt to get it over is short. Looks like there's a timeout requested by the SSS. Time to listen in.
Sorry. Sinabi namin tapangan, hindi.
Ayaw ko lang bigay mo sa iba. Ayaw ko lang bigay mo na sa iba.
Tuloy mo lang, Grace. Tuloy nyo lang. Kayo tuloy nyo lang.
Okay,
tuloy lang. Tuloy lang.
Layo pa.
Kayo yung ginagalaw nyo. Tapang lang, tapang.
Yung shirt ka na papakaano na. Balik ka lang sa atin. Dalawa lang. Dalawa lang o layo pa. Reset! Team! Wala na
You know, sometimes kasi when you commit errors, it stays in your head, no? Na sometimes iisipin mo, nako, pag tinira ko to, baka mag-error ako ulit. Yan sinasabi ng mga coaches, mental attitude yan. Tapangan. Pagpasok mo sa floor, erase mo na lahat ng mistakes mo. Diba? And then you start anew.
Hindi naman parang love life yan.
Nagugat ba?
Ng mga sugat na hindi gumagaling. Kailangan gumaling ng lahat. 8-10. Oh! Mariposque with a services.
Tsaka alam mo, isipin mo, pag hindi ka tinatanggal ng coach mo, kahit na nagkakamali ka, ibig sabihin, confident pa rin ang coach mo sa'yo.
Yan. Tama yan. Middle attack, Camacho. Looked long, but the back row was already committed to it. Set up. Pascual. Camacho tries and succeeds this time.
Yes, that's what the coaches want to see in Camacho.
AFP in the lead. Camacho gets the point.
Yan yung tama na hinahanap talaga ng mga coaches kay Camacho. Because remember when we covered their game previously, inisip natin Camacho must have joined the college, di ba, varsity, kasi ang ganda ng movements niya.
Saka maganda yung kanyang vertical leap.
Oo eh.
Why not? Muntik na.
Oo.
Pantino. Too close to the net.
Yeah.
Sabi na eh.
Oo, napasok yung bola, kailang sumabot si Reforma sa net.
Reforma apologizing to the other side. Mukhang nasipa niya eh.
Wala namang injury.
Oh, man. Sabit eh. Anong magagawa?
Oo.
12-10. AFP by 2. Pantino serve. Woo! Down the middle! Babayad with heat.
Yeah, on a roll si Mabayad. Kanina pa siya. Talaga, you feed her and she'll kill that ball for you.
She has height. She has elevation and power. And she has now given the AFP a 3-point lead. Reforma. Pantino. Pantino back row attack. Camacho short.
But you know, I have to say, ang ganda ng reception ni Lariot of the SSS, number 7 ng SSS. She has kept the ball alive for her team.
Uh-oh. Sayan mishandling it. And now it's a 5-point lead by the Lady Gunner.
Again, it's a flat and clean serve. May technique talaga dyan eh when you receive that eh. You just let it bounce off your hand. I-direct mo lang sa setter.
Hala.
Yeah.
Ira, ano meron? Let's go to Ira.
Let Mabayad played for UST for 3 years and hindi siya nakapagtapos ng college due to personal reasons. Pero itong si Let Mabayad feels very accomplished with her college career dahil nakakuha siya ng award and that is the Rookie of the Year. So right now sa AFP, she works under the Naval Reserve Command applications. So lahat ng gustong pumasok as a part-time soldier or yung mga reserved soldiers, mag-a-apply ka through Let Mabayad. Ang pinakasikat nga daw na halimbawa ng mga reserved soldiers ay si Ding Dong Dantes. Nakalista daw dyan. Balik sa inyo.
Family feud. Pero si, I'm sure Let would like to cheer for her UST team today that has fallen behind in that series. Pati both sa men and sa women.
Oo.
In the meantime, NU just a powerhouse. But in the meantime, that serve is long, but the AFP has a 6-point lead as of the moment. Kuminsan the best laid plans do not get fulfilled no?
Oo, ganda rin nung nangyari kay Mabaya.
Gusto mo matapos, hindi pwede. May iba't ibang dahilan. Olores, Mabayad. Ang haba niya no? Ang haba.
Volleyball player talaga yung katawan.
Tapos pag binaba niya yung kamay niya, lampas sa shorts niya di ba? Oh, great. Another rally. Mabayad has had enough.
Si Mabayad, maganda yung reception ng kabilang team. Meaning, pag regalo, hindi niya tatanggihan yan.
6 points by Mabayad. Bettina serve. Not return, not kept in play, and it's an 8-point lead. Unfortunate for the SSS because they had the early lead here in the second set.
Yeah. Yung mga services kasi ng AFP, ang heavy eh.
Gaya nito.
Oo.
Pantino, Mabayad, cut shot. Sang Moyang makes it a set. Pachari. Reforma tries to tip it over. Hindi nabot. Nice pancake.
Yes.
Olores. Mabayad finds the open spot using her hand action really.
Oh, si Olores, kahit na medyo malayo sa kanya yung bola, nabibigyan niya si Mabayad, lalo na kapag binigay mo sa kanya yung bola, talagang si Mabayad yung bibigyan niya ng chance to attack kasi mabilis eh.
SSS will send in Velasco to pull out Seiya in their lineup on the floor. 9-point lead by the Lady Gunner. Uh-oh. Velasco, ice cold.
Again, no, the services of AFP. Yan that's the one that's creating a lot of points for them.
Hake is replaced by Dolohan. Bettino. Sang Moyang. Alanganin. Nagawa ng paraan. Dolohan. Reforma. Jack will crawl over.
At happy si Olores doon. Mahirap kaya gawin yon, yung pasabitin mo yung bola sa net.
Oo. May halong chamba, may halong ginagawa.
Oo.
And suddenly, the AFP has left the SSS scoreless over a long stretch. And Mabayad has been the main cannon with 8 points now.
Ang galing ng reaction ni Mabayad eh. Look at how she reads. Kuha niya yung timing, even where that ball is gonna go.
Yeah. She has a nose for where that ball will be. Having played there for a long time. In the meantime, here's Peña, who could change the offense of SSS. Sang Moyang looks winded. She gets a break.
Yeah. Pahinga muna si Sang Moyang.
And it's out.
Ang ganda ng mga services ni Bettino.
Yeah, she's been there forever.
Yep.
And we arrive at set point.
That's a good first ball.
Peña. Short.
So, kita mo, mababa yung arm ni Pantino when she hit that ball. Kaya dumiretso yung bola sa net.
Grace Reforma will be serving. Pantino. Olores. Combination. Dolohan firing. Here comes Peña down the middle. It's long and we're done with the second set.
And that ends in 25-12. At commanding talaga ang AFP kasi yung mga bolang akala mo patay na, nabubuhay pa nila. And even though si Olores, sa kanya yung second ball, tumutulong yung iba kapag alam nila na hindi kakayanin ni Olores kunin yung second ball. That's why the ball is kept alive.
Okay, we'll have the third set ready for you wherever you are after these. Mas maiksing oras ang inabot ng second set na nakalulungkot sa SSS kasi sila yung lamang nung una pero inabutan din sila. Malaking bagay yung pagpasok ni Lilet Mabayad at she picked up after Yonko left for a while as we take a look at the numbers.
Yeah, look at the attack points. 12 as opposed to 4. Kasi nga, nako-control nila yung kanilang first ball. That's why you activated parate ang middle hitters nila. And when the middle hitters are the ones, doing the offense, mabilis yung pasok ng bola kasi mababa yung set sa kanila. And look at the aces. Ayan si Betinho did a lot of damage para sa pension protectors because of her services. They were flat and they were clean. They were heavy to receive. Ang errors parehas lang sa dalawang kuponan na to. But wow, you have to pay attention to the first ball ng AFP. Talagang control.
Saka may karga May karga. And in the meantime, the AFP showing some resilience despite losing despite being behind early on, that is. In the meantime, bungled by the SSS on the first play.
Medyo nagulat ako doon kasi si Pitoy Sangmuang yun pati yata siya nagulat sa first ball niya
Madulid has contributed 3 points, 2 on attacks, 1 via the ace. Malakas talaga sumerve.
Oo. Sa tunog dun
There's Madulid. Olores sets up Betinho. Good hands by Peña. Cross scored by Reforma. Net touch. Big smile. Big smile by Olores, but she knew it.
Because she tried to run after that ball. Malayo sa kanya Kaya nung tinip niya over, sumabit yung arm niya sa net.
Alam niya
Hindi nakuha sa ngiti.
Hindi. Nakataligod siya sa referee nung umiti siya. 1-all. Reforma. In play. Sangmuang with the dig. Tough angle to work with. Saya hits the antenna.
Yeah, that setup from Pitoy was a little too near the net for her.
Yeah. Kelly Joy Betinho will. And Betinho's serve is perfect.
Wow. Kanina pa si Betinho, talagang from the service zone.
She has 5 aces already.
Wow.
Over 7 points, 5 of them via the service ace group. 3-1 lead by the gunner. Susan Larion is there. Here's Yonko, and her shot out of reach. Rosel Salarda, the other libero, unable to handle it.
Si Yari Yonko, Kimson, siya yung highest scorer so far for AFP with 14 points, 9 on attacks, 3 on blocks, and 2 on aces.
Pambayad is second with 8. Betinho is third at 7. That serve is long.
Kung ikaw naman yung coach ng AFP, okay lang. Pagbibigyan mo si Betinho.
Kanina pa niya naman nakaka-deliver ng alas mula sa serve. Can't do that substitution. Napito na kasi yung yung permission to serve Yeah, at saka hindi malinis yung change Up.
The captain. Tinawag ni ref.
Kasi pumito na siya na magsaserve na Tapos biglang nagpalit ng libero. Hindi pwede yun.
Wala namang card. Usually may delay of game di ba?
Pero all's well, all's well. Dito. At saka dito naman kasi sa UNTV, ang guiding principle is to teach the rules to everybody. Pati yung move ng libero, yung rotation.
Yeah.
So that it's a learning process. This is too hot to handle. Yonko continues to do everything. She has 15 points.
Alam mo si Yonko, yung dalawang anak niya, si Forrest and si Gaia. Ayan, 4 and 2 years old. Yung kanyang mga anak.
Hindi siya mukhang nanay. Yan.
Oo nga.
Hindi nagbabago.
Correct.
Parang ano eh. I say that simply I've known her since her college days. Binil din eh.
Parang pareho lang yung katawan, no?
Life is unfair. In the meantime.
Correct.
But not to Yari Yonko. Kimson. Shot for Hake. Babawi kay Hake. Tingnan mo ha. Lavado, by the way, number 9 is on the floor already. That's Wylin Lavado. Everybody has seen some action here. In the meantime, inabot naman yun. De Gia, alam niyang mali. Kasi she was still huffing and puffing after that late entry eh.
Ganda rin naman ng service ni Pitoy kasi nakita niya late yung entry kaya yun yung tinarget niya.
Sunugin kita sa likod. Tagal naging import ito ng sa Shakey's V-League, ano?
Yeah. Oh, ito rin.
Same thing, same yan. Same yan. Same teaching situation for the first referee. Reverse set. Oh, Yonko with 16.
You know si Yonko when she hits the ball, talagang with passion. Maririnig mo din eh. When she hits that, oof, meron siyang ganun.
May diin, may baon, may laman.
Yes.
Uh-oh. Sang Muyang has to make do. Olores. Dito tayo. Missed. Maduli tried to work on an angle but missed it.
Oh, I think by just an inch. Maganda yung yung angulong yun eh.
6-5 tally. Although 5 will be serving against 6 now. Saya will be doing so. Pauline Joyce Saya. Just above the net. Olores. Madulid. Sang Muyang says, seen that, done that, know that. Oh, great stretch by De Gia. Hake. Saya. Ooh, Larion. Problematic. Hake attacks. Yes! Gets it to bite.
Mas maganda, mas solid yung hawak ni Hake dun sa bola that time. That's why when she hit that ball, it went over the blocker.
Pascual and Camacho have to come back in. First 2 sets going the way of the AFP. Camacho. Betinho with hands on it. Olores with a smile. Camacho. And that's out of reach. And Olores says,
that's a good power tip by Camacho.
Yeah.
Tinarget niya yung setter na si Olores. Para,
was not ready to take the first ball actually.
Yeah.
AFP within 1. Gomez and her serve. Very deep. Lifted high by Yonko. Cross court is out. Sabi ni Betinho, buti na lang, hindi buti naman.
Oo nga, may mga ganun talaga, no, na pagkakataon na kukunin mo na, tapos biglang naisip mo, out yan!
Gusto mo itago yung kamay mo eh. Ira, ano meron?
Pinag-uusapan nyo kanina si Iya Yonko, and did you guys know na pumasok siya sa AFP dahil naangasan daw siya sa battle dress uniform or BDU na tinatawag na suot ng mga AFP na sundalo. So she was challenged to join the AFP at pinangarap niya na makapagsuot din daw siya ng ganong klaseng uniform. So aside from being a mom of 2 kids, she is training under the helicopter unit to be a mechanic and a helicopter gunner as well. Balik sa inyo.
Wow!
Pag nasira yung machine gun, siyang bahala mag-ayos.
Oh, mechanic.
At saka, alam mo,
napaka-importante pala nung rason, no? Ba't siya nag-AFP?
yeah. At saka, Saka,
Uniform.
that's, alam mo, syempre, patuloy ongoing process yung AFP modernization. We still need so many helicopters. I've ridden many of their helicopters, but they need some work. Some of them are really old. In the meantime, back to volleyball. Betinho, Sangmuyang, Pascual, Reforma. Hake smiling in the back row. Pascual, Camacho whips it. No, it's out of reach.
And this is a better Camacho that we see here. Mas aggressive siya, mas courageous and confident hits. Look at that, na out of system niya yung kalaban.
Regine Camacho and her serve. It's playable. And Digia says, get out. Sangmuyang and the ball.
Yeah.
No, it's a net touch by the AFP.
Net violation by Madulid. When you try to be aggressive at the net, especially when you're trying to stop the ball of Sangmuang, yan ang nangyayari. Yan yung risk.
Yung siko niya, kasi the coaches always tell you, idiin mo ang block mo. Pag diin mo ng block mo, sumasama yung siko mo o yung arm mo as Camacho ends up into the net. 8-11 or 11 will now be serving against 8. As number 11, Madulid will do that job right now.
Nice serve.
Sangmuyang.
There's a net violation.
And Yonko got a little eager beaver there because she had blocked Sangmuyang twice already in the match.
Correct. Tingnan natin ang nangyari. Ito na si Sangmuang. And there's the touch on the net.
She already has registered 3 blocks actually. This serve dancing in the air. Yonko. Sangmuyang gets to that toss. Sangmuyang fires a bullet and it's on target.
Yeah, nicely done there by Sangmuang because there was a big gap or a big open zone on zone 5. Everybody was inside. Ayan o. Kaya ang laki nung area sa zone 5.
So Sangmuang, no problem delivering. And that serve dances out. 2-point lead by the AFP. Trying to jump into second place with the win here and be a full game over the AFP, which won earlier today against the Judiciary. Senate lost to the Comelec in straight sets. And the Comelec now just a full game ahead of the Senate. Olores, Yonko, Reforma steady in the back row. Seiya taps it over. Yonko becomes a setter. Hake with the shot, not exactly on point. Madulid sets up Hake. Another long exchange. Sangmuyang. Madulid could not do it 2 in a row.
Actually, nakita na ni Madulid na papaluin ulit ni Sangmuang yun That's why she went inside. Kaya lang, ayan, yun, she went inside. So when the ball went back to her, she was still moving. Hindi niya na-control.
And asking the question, bakit ako uli? And Yonko continues to be prolific. She has 17 points.
Si Yonko parang sobrang inspired today.
Yeah. Maybe all that helicopter flying has elevated her dreams to a different level. Net ball.
Na-frustrate na si Olores because kanina din, nag-net din yung kanyang service. And normally, maganda yung mga services ni Olores flat and clean din
And Pachari Sangmuang will be serving. Pachari serve. Madulid sense. Ako na naman. Yonko with an angled toss. Betinho. Olores running set short. Short.
Nicely done by Camacho there. Nakita niya nasa gitna ibibigay yung bola. So nakabantay na siya kay Yari. Look at that. O, tinip back niya yung bola eh.
We're tied at 13. Hake with a blast. Olores. Yonko, her shot neutralized. Oh, out of reach. And the lead is in the hands of the SSS.
So you could also hear SSS no nag-uusap sila inside the court eh. Sinasabi nila, oh, kunin mo, oh, akin na to. Very important talaga yung communication inside.
Tsaka hindi lang non-verbal, kailangan out loud eh.
Oo.
Kaingay ba naman ang laro eh. Sa dami ng iniisip ng lahat, kailangan na mangyanig ka. Olores, Hake.
Nice.
The major found the spot.
Ganda nun. Kala mo yung approach niya was for a strong hit, but then she went for a tip. And look at that. Such an angled hit. Beautifully done.
Serve in play. Yonko Olores has to adjust. Oh, she may have hurt herself. She was already in the back row. And then she jumped into it. She forgot that
she knew. Oh, when she landed, doon niya naalala.
She forgot that she was back row in the sequence. Something the setters tend to forget at times. And can't blame them then. Short on Madulid's attempt. It's time for Mabaya to return.
Mukhang gusto na nilang tapusin itong match na to. Because they bring in Mabayad. And Yonko is also inside.
So the two tall towers will be there for double effect. They're down currently though by 2. Mabayad attacks. Gets a point quickly coming off the bench.
Yeah, you know, kung ikaw si Mabayad, gusto mo yung unang puntos mo, yung unang tira mo puntos agad eh, because it creates your momentum.
And she has 9 points. The FP down by 1. Here comes the major. Mabayad all over that attempt. Olores scampers. Betinho. Good chase down by Pascual. Reforma just can't score. She's been spiking but can't score. And Mabayad. Sorry, it is Yonko who ends up short for probably the first time here tonight or this afternoon.
There's the... I think she knew that her approach was wrong. That's why naalanganin na siya nung tinira niya yung bola.
Maray Fosque is back on the floor. Ooh, not a good time. Well, it's never a good time to have a service error, but it comes at not a very good moment. Lead is down to 1. When you are leading against the AFP, you want to pull away. Maray Fosque with the serve. Camacho plays high. Olores. Salarda is the other libero. Olores. Sangwang gets to it. The back row will take care of it. Mabayad sets it for Yonko. Salarda. And it's long and out. We're tied.
And you know, even if nauna na kanina ang SSS, ang AFP, binilisan lang nila yung tempo nila eh. Kinargahan lang nila yung kanilang sets, rather yung services nila.
The net is tagged and the point will go to the SSS, 18-17.
Ito yung mga unforced errors na napag-usapan natin kanina. Na in the end, it will matter sa final score.
Yonko gets to it. Mabayad uncorks, but I think it's too much. No, she got the corner.
Yeah. That was a good long hit. So much power in that. Kaya kailangan meron siyang blocker eh.
You know, the tendency, if you're not that tall a team in terms of blocking, you end up watching those tall women make the attack, and suddenly the AFP is in the lead here at the home stretch of the third. SSS wants to talk things over.
Nasa harap si Pitoy, bigyan natin ng receive. Pagka magsiserve tayo, huwag mo i-service error ha. Nasa harap si Pitoy, balik kayo dyan na mas maingay. Okay?
Patibayan na to, patibayan na to. Hanggat nasa kakapasok lang ni Pitoy. I-maximize natin siya hanggang 25. Kunin natin. Go! Boss, buwasan mo error mo. May tarya ka sa akin, nabibilangan mo.
SS!
Kaya mo yan, test ganyan lang. Tsagain natin ha, tsagain natin. Hey, AFP! Gunner!
Sabi nga, no, maximize na sa harapan na si Pitoy. So, kasi malaking bagay, no? Si Pitoy, she can block, she can hit.
You'll get the scoring done. Win one set and see how this goes. Of course, the AFP would rather go home early. And all the people here want to go home early. Naku, hindi na baon yung regalo na yun.
Easy ball over.
O, regalo yun. Doon, natin kunin.
Yun talagang so much confidence in that hit. Look at that running.
They haven't done much of that, huh? But that's 18 points already for Yonko. Kabayan playing a good supporting role to Yonko. Nice touch. Betinho gets to it. The reverse set. Long attempt. Still in play. Salarda gets to it.
Regalo.
Runner. De Gia. Betinho. Salarda is all over it. De Gia is as well. Hala. First touch. Second. Betinho. Easy over. And Haki is thinking, was that out? Hard to tell.
But you know, ang ganda ng defensive pattern ng both teams. Ang ganda ng galaw nila. They know where to position themselves. Kaya ang tagal ng rally eh.
Can't blame Haki also. It just looked like this going out. It's in hindsight, of course. Reforma. Better floor defense by SSS actually.
Yes.
Achari Samwang knocks it in and we're tied at 20.
Ganda ng set sa kanya. There you go. Again, she finds those corners open.
And the AFP needs to huddle up back at HQ.
Parang naman yung palo si Samwang, di ba po sabi ko nga sa'yo, puro long lang naman. Diba basta black man tayo ah. Ito, ikaw kasi ito, atras ka, bumaba ka na. Wala na silang palo na sinatusok. Nandito naman siya, nandito naman siya mag-drop. So, ibig sabihin, puro na haba. Ha, wag na kayo umalis sa mga pwesto ha. Makaya ka.
Isa tayo.
Kunin natin to. Sige na, kunin natin to.
Tara, 1 to 5 muna tayo ha. Ate, papasok lang muna service. SSS!
You know, yung score 20 all, parang 0-0 ulit yan eh, diba?
Exactly. And unahan to score 5 points yan or more. Depende yan. Let's see how this cookie crumbles. Grace Reforma will serve. Yonko. And it's the right thing to go to her right away.
Oo, kasi hot siya eh. Kaya ibigay mo na sa kanya kahit na nasa outside position siya.
And she was already primed in the front row, actually. So she has knocked in 19. And we do some housekeeping on our floor right now. Of course, last thing we want is players slipping.
That's right.
On wet portions. 21-20 tally here. Oh, good counter by the SSS. We're knotted together at 21.
Nice short hit there by Seiya. Look at that. Rolled hit.
Anybody's third set, actually.
Oh.
Good set.
Nice.
Good drop. It's on the ground.
Ang ganda. Kasi, ang alam nila, si Kim Son is going to go for long, sharp hits. Diba? Eh, because everybody umatras, nakita ni Yoko, ay, ang laki naman ng butas dito sa harap. O, ititip ko na lang.
And the effort to save it with a pancake was late. 1 point lead by the Lady Gunner. Free ball. Chance to attack now. Yonko does exactly that on 2. Here comes Seiya. Reached for by Mabayad.
Nice.
Yonko.
But good coverage. Unfortunately, walang nag-second doon. But again, no, smart moves. Smart attacks from Yonko.
Timeout SSS. Sa tagal ni Sang Muang in playing volleyball. Alam niya, if she stepped back, she could have hurt somebody or hurt herself, actually.
Para mapalo natin. Huli niya.
Magbe-base ka muna, baka biglang ihulog. Opo, tansyahin muna lang.
Pagkapasa si Seth, papatay si Pito, iikot.
Magdadrop mo lang.
Bagay natin sa depensa, ganun lang. Pinutol nila natin momentum nila. Kaya pa natin yan, no?
Dalawa lang.
Pasahan nyo lang. Para mapano nito. Go, receive mo na.
Tara. Makalma lang. Set! There!
Go.
Diba yung pinakamadali, the way to read a hitter is yung shoulders. Sa nakaharap yung shoulders, doon mo susundan. Kasi more often than not, kung sa nakaharap yung shoulder, doon pupunta yung palo.
Yeah. Unless napaka-ambidextrous with left and right hand.
Tsaka unless in the middle, biglang she changes her mind, tapos iibahin niya yung palo niya. Pero more often.
But because of gravity, you don't have that much time to switch in the air. So you might as well look at the shoulders, and that could be the telltale sign as Olores serves.
Inside!
It's inside. And that hurts as now the AFP is at match point. Now you gotta dig in deep if you're SSS right now.
Yes.
Very, very deep. If SSS loses this, they will be at 3 and 6. Complicating their life a bit in the race to playoff spots. Sang Muang rejected. Keeps it in play. Chance for the AFP to attack. They go to Hake. One-handed pickup. Seiya is there. Sang Muang free ball. Olores, Yonko.
Yun.
Ooh.
Good dig.
Yeah, hinabol. Pascual, battling. Yonko plays long and does it. And takes care of business.
Si Yonko kasi mabilis magbasa ng depensa ng kalaban. So pag nakikita niyang butas sa harap, doon niya ilalagay. Pag butas sa likod, nahahanap din niya. Look at that. Very nicely done by Yonko.
So it's a day of 3 sets again for you and me.
Yeah.
And who is the best player of the game in this win by the AFP?
Nako, none other than Yari Yonko Kimson.
And she is going to greet everybody on the planet, including the entire helicopter staff and the entire AFP.